is concentrated. And there's 3 that come in a package. These come from Grove, and Grove is out of San Francisco. And so you have concentrated packages that you just add water. And these are the bottles that they sell on Grove. And they have the silicone bottom, so they don't slip around. They come in, they have different colors. And so what you do is you take one of these, whatever you're cleaning. This one's an all-purpose cleaner. And you just twist the top off, pour it upside down, squeeze it in.
Hold deep. Smells good.
This one is orange and rosemary, and you can see the color of it, maybe.
Yeah, you can see it in there.
You can see the concentrated.
Yeah.
And then you take it and you just fill it with water.
All the way to the rim.
Put the top back on.
Oh, you got an all-purpose cleaner.
Wipe off what you spilled. And you've got all-purpose cleaner. And you can see it's not water, right? Look at the color in there.
Yeah.
And it smells absolutely wonderful.
It does. It smells really good.
And it's an all-natural cleaner. It doesn't have any chemicals.
All natural.
So you can look at the ingredients.
Oh yeah. Glass cleaner, tile cleaners. Plant-derived ingredients. Very good. Essential oils.
So you can go on Grove. There's directions on how to use it. Small and mighty. There you go.
Nice. Thanks a lot.
And so this
check it out, everybody.
this is the waste when we're done. Not a big package, and
Just throw it in the trash.
I want to say these are recyclable.
Can recycle.
Right here, because you can recycle that tube.
Right. Awesome. Thanks, Mom.
Welcome.